Satrangi channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my videos.
Scroll the button. Scroll button display the sheet one at a time or display the first and last grouping of sheet tab here. Scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Create a new blank workbook. Select the file tab. Select new. Click blank workbook. A new blank workbook will be appear here. If you open an existing file, then click file tab. Click open. The dialog box will be appear here. It will show locate your file and select your workbook and then click to open. Next topic is how to convert the worksheet in other format. Go to file tab, save as file and select the file format in which you convert the file. In this session, I will select just PDF format. The other file type, file you use, I will learn to the next tutorial. So I select PDF format, rename the file and save. The file will be saved here. And now, no can insert or delete the data because the file will be converted to PDF format. So next topic is understanding the cell. Every worksheet is made up of thousands of rectangles which are called cells. Cell is insertion of row, columns. Columns are identified by A, B, C, D and so on. Rows are identified by 1, 2, 3. Cell range. Cell range select cell 2. The range will be shown here. I select, so here it will show the range cell. Sometimes you want to select group of range. Click, hold and drag the mouse until the adjoining cell you to wish the select are highlighted. Cell content. Any information you enter into a worksheet will be stored in cell. Each cell contains several different kinds of content, including text, formatting, formulas, and function. Number 1, text. Cell can contain text such as letters, numbers, and date. Formula and functions. Cell can contain formula and function that calculate cell value. In this example, some formula can be used. First of all, we create a table, then enter the value, then apply the formula. Is equal sum, bracket open, select range, bracket close, then enter. Here we show the result. Other formula can be applied according to the situation. For example, subtract, multiply and any other formula. Next topic is how to delete cell. Select cell you wish to delete, right click and the cell will be deleted here. Next topic is fill handle. Why we use fill handle? Fill handle can be used to contain series. Here we example. For example, I type 1, 2 and select 1, 2 and click fill handle and drag. So here will be the result, a series of numbers. And another example, time.